Hello everyone, you are watching content by Nagraj. Today's headlines: India's Russian oil imports hit record high in February, now more than Iraq, Saudi put together. Taiwan's Foxconn seeks cheap EV cooperation with India. ChatGPT maker OpenAI rival Stable Diffusion maker seeks to raise funds at 4 billion valuation. World's largest contract chip maker TSMC to hire 6,000 engineers in 2023. Electric vehicle cab company Evera raises 7 million in funding led by IEG Investment. India's goods services exports may cross $750 billion this fiscal, says Piyush Goyal. Funding winter good for millions of Indian kiranas, says Arvind Mediratta. Adani to hold fixed income roadshows in London, Dubai, and United States. Prop tech startup NoBroker raises $5 million in funding from Google Development Corp. Sugar diverted for ethanol increases to 28.5 lakh tons. Health tech startup SigTuple raises rupees 34.5 crores in funding from India partners and Excel. Matter Motor unveils electric bikes from 1.43 lakh to 1.54 lakhs. Textile Ministry invites implementing partners for training scheme. China e-commerce giant JD set for 1.4 billion discount spree. Nexus Venture Partners closes its largest ever fund at $700 million. India Mart looks to add credit facilitation offering on its platform to help small businesses. Foxconn plans new India iPhone plant in shift away from China. RBI imposes 3.06 crore penalty on Amazon Pay India for violation of norms. US-based tech service startup Bitwise raises 80 million in funding led by Kapoor Center Motley Fool. 4-lane highways to connect all Andhra Pradesh ports at 20,000 crores, says Nitin Gadkari. Rupee gains 63 paisa to close at 81.97 against US dollars. Reliance to set up 10 gigawatt solar energy project in Andhra Pradesh, says Mukesh Ambani. Global shipping firm UPS chooses Chennai to set up its first technology center in India. Adani raises 15,446 crores via stake sales to US investment firm GQG. VA Tech Wabag ranked among top 3 water companies globally. Tata Motors sees increasing EV adoption in rural India. SEBI bans Sadhana broadcast promoters, actor Arshad Varsi, others from securities market. India's jobless rate rose to 7.45% in February, says Center for Monitoring Indian Economy CMIE. Axis Bank closes Citibank India deal at lower payment at rupees 11,630 crores. SBI raises $1 billion in syndicated social loan. Adani said to repay up to $790 million share backed by loans by March. Retail mutual fund assets base grows 9.3% to over 23 lakh crore in January. Bank credit growth drops to 16.8% in October to December, says RBI. ESAR unveils EET to invest 3.6 billion in UK. India, Shriram Auto Malls 12th Utsav Dale sale generates 185 crores business. US FDA gives nod for granulase copy of blood pressure tablet. Warehouse developer Pragati raises $200 million. Dr. Reddy is acquiring many pharma's US generic portfolio for $105 million. India's economic growth appears to be very fragile, says RBI Monetary Policy Committee member Jayantar Verma. Uncertainties cloud global economy. G20 nations must resolutely address challenges, says RBI Governor. Agritech firm Fazal enters procurement business to sell directly to retailers exporters. Government looks to integrate 100 more interstate mandis with ENAM. Madhya Pradesh government presents rupees 3.14 lakh crore budget, announces rupees 8,000 crores for new women welfare scheme in election year. Government gets rupees 3,955 crores in dividend tranches from NTPC PGCIL Engineers India. Zomato CEO Deependra Goyal quits urban company board as a Blinkit plans similar services. World Bank promises consistency in debt restructuring. Russian crude imports in February up 28% over January. Infosys co-founder Narayan Murthy says VC is responsible for current growth culture in startups. India UAE Business Council launched to boost bilateral trade and investment. SoftBank sells shares worth rupees 950 crores in delivery. Teen freelancing startup FunGrow raises funding from Shark Tank judges Amit Jain and Namita Thapar. RBI imposes restrictions on Musiri Urban Cooperative Bank, caps withdrawal at rupees 5,000 per customer. B Capital earmarks $500 million for Maidan Healthcare Fund. Punjab National Bank makes positive pay system mandatory for check payments worth rupees 5 lakh and above. Vedanta Resources prepays loans plans to rise up to $1 billion. Microsoft set up to win Europe NOD on Activision with licensing offer. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my video.